I'm Alfred. Let me show you how to send all your emails while having a morning coffee. Your Meet Alfred account offers powerful email automation through our email campaign feature. To get started, make sure you set up and connect your email address on the integrations page. There you can customize your preferred email account, create a personalized email signature, use an alias, include an unsubscribe link, and export your list of unsubscribed contacts. Moving on, once you're ready to create your campaign, you'll have two options. You can either use first-degree connections or upload a CSV file of emails. Meet Alfred's advanced CRM gathers data from LinkedIn profiles, enabling you to easily create automated email campaigns that target your first-degree connections. Simply select or filter through your connections and click on Create. Alternatively, you can also use the CSV upload method by adding your file, ensuring that the first column is the email address. From there, you can add as many columns as you'd like to further personalize your messages. After selecting your lead source, the next step is to add and build your sequence by including as many email messages as you'd like. You have full customization options, including personalization values, templates, attachments, hyperlinks, and your email signature. Additionally, you can modify the days or hours before triggering the next step. Once you're ready, click Next and give your campaign a name. When you're ready to launch the campaign, click Publish. From there, Meet Alfred will begin automating the steps in your sequence and provide you with real-time analytics on the campaign performance while giving you a preview of the replies detected. I'm Alfred. I look forward to helping you again.